Nabili na yung bahay namin.
That's our house?
There's a new one in the owner. No, that's not our house. Wishing lang.
Why didn't you guys buy a house?
Soon, we will buy a house. Nanalo si mama sa loto.
Oh my
guys,
goodness.
ang ganda diba?
I think you have a Lotto God.
Yeah. Loto God.
Supposed to be our house.
Ayun, dapat bayin natin ako.
I don't think you worship Jesus Christ.
Oh,
You worship the Lotto God.
Loto God ba? My God. Oh, I'm player. I'm playing outside. Kaya yata yung 3 lane to ah. Ito. O, tingnan mo. Pasok ka nga. Pwede naman. Bakit di ka pwede pumunta dyan?
Baka malubat pa tayo.
Okay lang. Lapit lang naman. Dami nagtitinda pala rito.